Hey Ryan, this is Molly with New England Leads. It was great talking to you earlier today. I wanted to show you what I found, and not to be dramatic here, but holy moly, you're really in a great position in Plymouth. So I was taking a look at your website, and I think it's a really good looking website. Beautiful, clean colors, very image heavy. And the first thing I was thinking, I went in and checked how you saved these images. And just, depending on how you save them, these images can actually bring traffic to your website depending on how they were saved. So that's one thing that I would take a look at. Number two is content. So Google loves content. There's just not enough content in here. They want to see around 1,500 words on your homepage at a minimum. And I believe you're running about 600 that I can see, but which I'm trying to figure that out. I did a word counter, and this doesn't look like 600 to me. So you've definitely got room to put in more content, because if somebody's going to be searching plumber in Plymouth, Massachusetts, Google's going to crawl the web. They're searching and ranking the websites that pop up. They're looking for keywords to figure out what every specific website should be found for. So when Google comes in crawling your content, they're trying to find out what services you offer and what areas you offer. So we want to have each main keyword that you're trying to rank for at least 10 to 15 times throughout. And that will guarantee that they can find you. I searched plumber, Plymouth, New Hampshire. When I search your front page, you have plumber one time. This is the only time this word is in here. So definitely, I would say the best thing you could do for your website is to up your content and also go deep with your pages. So I went ahead and I searched plumber, Plymouth, Massachusetts. This phrase, particularly in this order, is searched anywhere from 200 to 300 times a month, it looks like. So that's a lot of people who are looking for plumbers in the area. So the first thing you're going to see up here are ads. People pay to be up here, and they also can pay to be in, hoping that people will click this link. And then you're going to find what's called the map pack. This is Google My Business. I tried to find you on Google My Business, and it doesn't look like you guys have registered. So you're going to want to do that. You're going to want to have, see if you can get 25 reviews put in there and at least 10 pictures on your Google My Business. Now, these sites do not pop up based on proximity. A lot of people think that that's how they come up. They don't. They're ranked, and it's based on how many places your name, phone number, and address are found throughout the web. So you come in here and you find where they're listed and make sure that you're listed there too and more. Because the three people who are at the very top of Google My Business, GMB, at the map pack, they're the ones who are going to be getting a lot of the clicks, because people don't have to go in here and search and open up. And now the top three have moved down because there's even two people up here paying for ads. So you really want to aim to be in the top three on Google My Business. The next thing you'll see, we call this organic traffic down here. These are the people who are organically popping up. Sorry, just looking. So these people get around 70%, I would say, of the clicks come down here. And you'll see that a lot of these are actually directories like Better Business Bureau, Angie's List. That's good. That's really, really good. Home Advisors, Yellow Pages. That means there's a lot of room here on the front page. There's a lot of room, because Google would rather have the front page be full of small businesses than by directories. So I put in one that I found here, number 5, Maybrook Plumbing. Let's take a look at them. So it is a average site, but what they do have is they've got a lot of words and they go deep. They've got a lot of pages. And that's really good. That helps them get searched. So let's dive in deeper, and I want to show you exactly why they're ranking up top. And this website, 2010, so there's a lot of room to leapfrog them. So I'm going to put their address into a tool that I use called Ahrefs. Let me explain how this is. So the way you rank in Google has to do with your UR and your DR. UR, this is your trust rating. It's how much Google trusts your website. This is your domain rating, and it basically shows the domain authority, how powerful that you are in Google's eyes. Now, I was blown away when I saw this, and I'm not trying to be dramatic or salesy or whatever, but I don't know if I've ever seen a website ranking on the first page who's got such a low domain rating. This, oh, I can't even stress how easy to beat this could be. You so easily could have yourself in the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 spot of Google, surpassing these people, because these numbers are based on how many backlinks and referring domains that they have and the strength of these referring domains. They have 60 backlinks. They've had 500 over the years, but they've dropped off. And that's why it's so important to make sure that you're keeping up and having somebody, on top of what's happening with your links, because they fade away. So they've got 28 different domains pointing back to them. This could be a blog about plumbing, and they list them in there. 16 out of these 28 are fairly powerful sites. So that's where a lot of the trust is coming in. And you can go in and you can see the places where they're listed and get listed there as well. The other way that these numbers are determined and how Google is going to find you is those keywords that we talked about. So the keywords, the reason you want to rank up with these keywords is they're going to search these exact phrases, and the higher up on these keywords you can be, the more people are going to find you, the more people are going to be calling you. So let's look at what keywords they're ranking for. That could be pertinent to you. So Plymouth plumbing, or plumber, Plymouth, Massachusetts. This is the exact phrase that I put in. And here it's saying on average it's about 200 clicks a month. And this guy only got 9. He averages 9 from here. Plumbers, Plymouth, Massachusetts. Plymouth, Massachusetts plumbers. Plumbers in Plymouth, Massachusetts. Plumbing, Plymouth. Plymouth plumbers. These phrases, these exact words, this exact order, you can rank for over and over again. And so it's really important, not only do you have these keywords on your site 15 to 20, 10 to 15 times, but that they're in this specific order as well. Because he's right now in number 7 for that. But he's up 2 spots. Oh, that's why he's in the 5th now. So that's a really great way to come in to see your competition, see what they're doing, and just make sure you've got it more. Because right now, for their website, because of their domain rating and the UR, they're getting 44, on average, 44 clicks a month on their website. And the truth of the matter is that is so easy to beat. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is a very unique position. I couldn't even believe what I was seeing, and so I had to click on another site that was right below them in the number 6 spot, and holy cow, this is all it would take is over 6 referring domains to have you piggyback them if you've got 3 powerful ones and you rank for 30 keywords. That's getting them 34 looks a month. So let's take a look at yours and see how you're doing in comparison. So right now, your trust rating is good. We just need to get your domain authority up. You have 4 referring backlinks, but only one of them is considered to be somewhat powerful. So let's take a look. Here are the places that you're listed, and here's the one, it's over 50, so that's the one that's like, hey, this gives them something. what you want to do is go in and get a lot more. And then same thing, right now at the moment, you're not ranking for any keywords. So it doesn't matter what people are putting in, you're not going to pop up unless they're directly putting in RJ Olson plumbing and heating. But if they put in plumber in Plymouth, Mass, plumbing, all these things, it's just keeping you from getting popping up. So I hope it's been helpful. Little recap, content, 1,500 words, get your keywords in there, and then focus on those backlinks, the organic keywords, and yeah, I really think you guys could have no problem jumping ahead of the competition in your area and really getting a good portion of what's going on. I would love to hear your feedback. I'd love to hear any insight that this provided and if this was helpful. I'll be following up, but if you'd like to reach out to me first, you can reach me at 603-480-5660 or molly@newenglandleads.com. And I hope you have a great evening. Thanks. Bye.